Hi friends, this is Nitanj and today we are checking out BlackBerry's latest offering, the Priv. Priv has been launched in India after quite a long wait and this is BlackBerry's first smartphone ever running on Android platform. The Priv is a flagship offering with the price tag of Rs 62,990 and with the premium price tag it also offers top of the line specifications. Upfront you get a 5.4-inch display which bears a resolution of 2560 into 1440 pixels and with a pixel density of 540 ppi. The screen is incredibly sharp and color reproduction also seems to be spot on. We don't find any issues with viewing angles or brightness of the device either. In terms of the design ethos, you will find several nice touches from BlackBerry. You get a dual curved edge screen which is similar to Galaxy S6 Edge, and towards the right you get a mute button which is sandwiched between volume rocker, while the left offers a power button. Up top lies a micro SD card slot which is quite nice as many flagship offerings don't offer expansion slot these days, while a nano SIM card slot is available as well. Towards the bottom you get a micro USB port for data transfers and charging along with a 3.5mm audio jack. At the back the device features a textured finish which offers good grip along with primary camera supplemented by dual LED flash. However, this is not what the BlackBerry Priv is all about. A throwback to the slider era, you get a slide out keyboard with the device which also offers speaker grill towards the bottom. The keyboard is a standard 4-row BlackBerry keypad layout with all the alphabets along with key features below. In terms of software, which is the real highlight of the device since it runs Android 5.1 Lollipop, and you get mostly stock interface. If you see, most things are stock. However, it's been pepped up with BlackBerry's security centric aspects and there are some nice features as well, such as this edge which offers the ability to open contacts, work contacts quickly. This can be used with the available edge screen here. You also get interesting feature called as pop-up widgets, which is available only on the apps which have these 3 dots below. If you flick on them you can get a pop-up widget, and if you click anywhere the pop-up widget is gone. This is available for BBM, calendar, WhatsApp and the apps like AccuWeather. So this is a really nice feature, giving you a one-stop glance at the security settings of your device. You get a app called Detect which gives you device status in terms of security, so it can tell you which apps are running in your device and whether they are secure or not. Similarly for your data and hardware as well. This is a really cool feature. Powering the show on the BlackBerry Priv is Qualcomm Snapdragon 808 processor which offers 6 cores in the combination of quad-core 1.4 GHz and a dual-core processor clocked at 1.8 GHz. And the processor is coupled with 3 gigs of RAM. So as you can see, multitasking screen, we can quickly switch between different tasks and the processor seems to handle all that, so it's very fast. However, the real measure of its performance can only be known when we push its limits through games and other applications. Let's check out the storage available on the device. In terms of storage, you get 32 gigs of memory, out of which around 15 GB is available to you. And the good part is you can also expand it further with the use of a micro SD card, and the device supports up to 2 TB of micro SD cards, although it's a different thing that commercially only 200 GB micro SD card is available as of now. The device also features a beefy battery of 3410 mAh which should easily last a day of use. So let's check out the typing capabilities. So you can type with the standard touchscreen keyboard, or if you want to type faster then you can slide out and use the full row keyboard to type. The good part is that the keyboard is capacitive touch enabled, which means you can also flick it over for typing quickly. Now let's check out the camera capabilities. So the camera interface is pretty minimal. You get different modes, ability to switch to the front camera, various effects, HDR mode, ability to change the aspect ratio, and various settings. So let's take a quick image. So device boasts impressive image capabilities thanks to a 18 megapixel camera at the back, which offers optical image stabilization as well, and you also get dual tone LED flash for illuminating in low light conditions. So as you can see, the image seems to be pretty good in terms of details. However, we will check out the camera in our proper review. Till then, stay tuned. At the front, the BlackBerry Priv offers a selfie camera. Overall, the BlackBerry Priv seems to be a bold and risky bet from the Canadian brand, and while it remains to be seen how it fares in the Indian market, we are quite piqued about the device and its prospects. At the price tag of rupees 62,990, it's in a league of its own, though you can also get other Android powered options such as Samsung Galaxy S6 or go to the iOS way with the Apple iPhone. We will check the device in detail in our review, so keep an eye out for that. Till then, keep watching 91 Mobiles. This is Nitansh signing off. Thanks for watching.